I love being a nurse because it's really a rewarding profession.
I'm very proud in my role within the community because I am keeping patients happy within their own home and providing the treatment that they need.
Being a nurse is a vocation, and it's something we really love to do, and something that comes from bottom to heart, is try to help people.
I love my job because every day I meet fabulous people. I meet really brave people.
I love being a nurse because I love to care for patients, but I also love to develop and nurture nursing staff.
My job satisfaction comes from the fact that we're just the same as everybody, trying to make a positive difference.
I enjoy being a nurse because I believe that I can offer a service to people, that I can support them in their time of need.
I love being a nurse because I've seen the care that my father, myself and my grandparents have had. They're absolutely brilliant. I wanted to be a part of that.
I've loved being a part of the nursing profession throughout my career and making a difference to patients and staff.
In nursing, sky is the limit. So to all my fellow nurses, happy International Nurses Day.